Oh, I think somebody at the door. Let me see. Hey, my friend, how are you? Good, long time no see.
Hi, how are you? You good?
Good. Just come inside, man.
Is anybody inside?
Oh, yes, you are. You are welcome. Nobody's there. Okay, come inside. Thank you.
Since I've seen you, you are very happy after the marriage. What's the reason behind it? Can you help me with that, please? Please.
Oh man, that's really nice, because after marriage, my life is changed. I'm really happy,
You know, I'm getting married next week, so if you give me some tips.
Hey man, congrats, yeah. No, sure, why not? I'm help you, So you want to know what's the success behind this happy life, yeah?
Yes.
Well, man, the secret is when I married the first day, normally, I'm not smoke, but what I'll be, I'm pretending like I'm a smoker. So when my wife come to my room, I'll just start smoking and pretending like I'm smoking, So she come to me and she said, oh, I don't like the person who smoke. So I just said, oh, really? So for her, I just say, okay, this is my packet of the cigarette. I'm going to throw for you and I'm quitting my cigarette and no smoking anymore now onwards. Are you happy? And she said, oh, yes, I'm really happy. So this is the story. I just impress her towards me and just realize her that I can do anything for you.
Okay, that's great. Good to know.
My friend, this is the only tip, it's going to work for you, for your successful life. Best of luck for your life.
Okay, I'll do the same. Thanks for your help. Sure.
He got married. First marriage night.
Oh my god, this guy is keep smoking. And don't look at me at all, I'm also craving of the cigarette. Let me ask him, if he can help me. Love, why are you alone there? Just come here. Let's have together, and we smoke together. Why you doing alone?
What? I'm glad.